Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Uh, week one's gone. It has been one and done by 5 different teams. Unfortunately, I wasn't one of them. Made the wrong choice. Should have played Stringer, not Bruce, but either way. Just going to do a quick review today. My battery's about to go dead. My cable's broken. I won't have a new one until Thursday. And I won't be able to finalise the ladder just yet because Michael has not allowed, he hasn't finalised that part of the website just yet. So I'll just do a quick review of all the 5 games and away we go. So first game was Seek and Destroy versus Maltese Falcons. Congratulations to Vossi, first game, first win. That was 347 to 324. That comes from the back of a big performance by Patrick Dangerfield and Matthew Prittis. Dangerfield got 90 as utility, Prittis got 86 as a halfback, so that was massive. Lacroix chipped in with 40 as a half forward, which is pretty good. Other than that, no really other outstanding performances there. I suppose Charlie Dixon 21 as a full forward's okay. That's probably what we all want. For Maltese Falcons, Armitage pretty good in utility at 82. Midfield of Andrew Gaff was 48. Jack Stevens at 77 as a halfback was absolutely spectacular as well. So realistically, it was the utilities versus the halfback in this game. The biggest letdown for Fennick in this game was good old Cloak Zero, Travis Cloak, who I think was out looking for Easter eggs or something because he just got eggs or donuts or whatever you want to call it. So well done, Seek and Destroy. Next game, Jacobs Jabronis versus Renegades. Very, very one-sided affair. I don't think Renegades actually even showed up. It was 334 to 258 to Jacobs Jabroni, so congratulations there. That's a prediction that I got wrong. So in that game there, Tom Lynch 39.5 was pretty good. Luke Parker at utility was awesome at 84. Montagna 46 in the midfield was pretty good there as well. Other than that, Tom Mitchell's a tackle at 27. Should be very happy with that as well. Sam Jacobs ruck at 38. I've noticed a lot of rucks had good games this week, which is pretty good. For Renegades and the loophole of Ty Rickery brought him into the full forward spot. He had 20. Mumford at utility was very disappointing for the Renegades. He only got 46. While Lewis in midfield 42. Loby at the ruck at 44 was awesome. Other than that, Barlow at 43, pretty shocking as a halfback. Liberatore only got 6 points as a tackler. And Hodge, now with a broken hand, only got 26 in the midfield, so that's pretty disappointing on his behalf there. Next game was the lowest scoring game of the round, and realistically, it's a very defensive battle by these two coaches. It was Rangus Anonymous 273 defeated No Dumplings 237. Bigger mistake there was No Dumplings forgot to play a ruck. Had he played his ruck in McAvoy, he would have still only lost, but only lost by 6 points. So there, No Dumplings had Steve Johnson at half forward, 27, pretty disappointing. Eddie Betts 9 as a full forward was disappointing as well. Pendlebury's utility 52 disappointing. To be honest, the only highlight of this whole game was Heath Short 55 in the midfield. Good effort by him. Kieran Jack had to come into the ruck, only got 4 points. For Rangers Anonymous, I thought his Nat Fife shouldn't have even showed up. 35 in utility, pretty bad there. Taylor Walker 35 half forward, not really good. Mitchell in the midfield was awesome as always, 55. He's just Mr. Consistent as ever. And Sell got 57 as a half-back. My battery's down at 10%, just so everyone knows. So, yeah, next game, I'm rolling versus Arse Kickers United, which was me. Very disappointed. I should have played Jake Stringer, kicked 5 goals there for Bruce. And unfortunately, I end up losing by 7. And he didn't even have Dane Swan. Dane Swan got 0 for him because he broke his leg. And I lost Hannonbury halfway through the third quarter. He got 53 as midfield, so that's just as utility, sorry. Buddy's back, 43 half forward, pretty good. Nick Nat in the ruck, 52 was awesome. Scott Thompson, missed consistent at halfback, got 60. But the highlight of this, Andrew Swallow tackle 30. But Tom Hickey in the ruck, 58, was awesome. And Josh Kennedy is a full forward, 50. Why he plays Josh Kennedy the best half forward of the game at full forward, who knows? But that's very, very good there. Let me just reject my phone. That's my phone ringing, don't worry about that. My dad trying to call me. Swallow got a tackle, as I said, 30. That's pretty good there. So I'm rolling. So I'm rolling, rolls on. Gets a win, 322-15. Well done, Coley. And the last game was Sugar, last year's bottom of the ladder, I think. Either way, I think last year's both bottoms, Rangers and Sugar, both won this week, which is pretty good. Sugar won 321 to 306 over Gods of Olympus, last year's champions. Sugar, both utilities, Goldstein and Ablett, both got 98, the highest score of the round. Fantastic by both of them. Gods Olympus was let down in the 4-4 by Kurt Tippett. Kurt Tippett's probably the better ruckman, or will be the number one ruckman for Sydney. So maybe you need to look at there. Jack Reeve was disappointed at 28. Tom Rockliff at 60, halfback, was sort of disappointed, but still, for his standard anyway, but he was still pretty good. And Redden was very disappointed as a tackler at 7 for him. As I said, Ablett got 98 for Sugar. Trelaw, 49 in the midfield, first game for Collingwood, very good there. Callum Ward, 49 as a halfback, not so good there. Other than that, no one else really shown. Realistically, it's just the battle of the utilities there. 98 by Goldstein, 98 by Ablett. Good effort for those two there. So, as I said, that's just a very, very quick review. Sorry I sped through this. Hopefully you understand all my mumble there. But the battery's about to go dead, so I'll try to get this on YouTube as quick as possible. But congratulations to all 5 winners. Just so you know, there's Medley. She's waiting for me to take her out. Oh, what I will do is just let you know. Best full forward of the round, Josh Kennedy on 50. Charlie Dixon was second, 21. Ty Vickery third, 20. Best half forward was Buddy at 43, followed by LeCras on 40 and Tom Lynch from Gold Coast on 39. The utilities were tied at Ablett and Goldstein on 98, and then Dangerfield got 90. Best midfielders was Mitchell and Heath Shaw on 55, and Adam Trelaw on 49. Best ruckman, my battery went dead there, so I lost it. Ruckman, Hickey 58, Nathan 52, Lobie 44. Halfback, best one was Prittis 86, Stephen 77, Scott Thompson 60, and the best tackler was Andrew Swallow on 30, Tom Mitchell 27, and Jack Viney 20. So that's it. That's a wrap up of the round, guys. Best of luck. Next game is Friday, which is Collingwood and Richmond. Yeah, well done, and see you all later.